Thank you to Hisummer for sponsoring today's video. Introducing the Hisummer 42-inch modern farmhouse ceiling fan. This sleek ceiling fan offers the modern creature comforts which have recently taken the ceiling fan industry by storm, all while being offered at an affordable price. The fan comes thoughtfully packaged, and along with all of the necessary components, Hisummer includes both a 5-inch and 10-inch down rod to give customers more installation options without having to purchase additional accessories. For my space, which has shorter ceilings, I will be utilizing the 5-inch down rod today. A comprehensive instruction booklet makes installation overall smooth and simple. Altogether, installation took me just over 30 minutes. The blades for this fan are reversible with black on one side and walnut on the other. The only hiccup I experienced with installation is that the screw holes for the blades on the blade arms are aligned with the screw holes of the motor rather than on an angle. This means that the screws do not sit flush against the blades. This made it somewhat difficult for me to balance the fan, but with some extra tightening the fan is overall pretty stable. Hisummer also does include a balancing kit with the fan to help ensure smooth operation. The Hisummer fan, by default, will give a chime to confirm it has received a new command from the included remote. Hisummer has included a button on the remote to mute the fan for spaces where not having the chime is preferred, such as a bedroom. The fan utilizes an integrated 3CCT LED light kit, which does not have a dimming function but allows for changing the color temperature of the light using the included remote. Despite its small size, the Hisummer fan provides good airflow for spaces where space is an issue without breaking the bank. The quiet yet powerful reversible 6-speed DC motor provides an average of 3,367 cubic feet per minute of airflow. The fan does not have a very large range of speeds, with low speed being rather fast, but generally this will not be something that consumers in this segment of the ceiling fan market will be concerned about. While it isn't perfect, the Hisummer 42-inch ceiling fan is a good addition to the ceiling fan market, helping to bring the additional efficiency of DC ceiling fans, as well as newer features such as the 3CCT lighting to more budget-oriented customers. The Hisummer 42-inch modern farmhouse ceiling fan is available for purchase now on Amazon. Check out my affiliate link in the description to learn more about this or any of the other fans Hisummer offers. Thank you again to Hisummer for sponsoring this video.